ArcGIS Explorer is a geographic information system viewer that gives you an easy way to explore and visualize GIS information. It allows the user to share the same GIS information with a broad audience in either 3D or 2D. The Explorer window initially has three components: a map area, a contents window, and a ribbon at the top. If you look at the right-hand corner, you will see the Help icon. If you click on this, a Help window will open, allowing you to find answers to your questions in a variety of ways. The ribbon is organized into tabs, and each ribbon contains a collection of controls which are organized into groups. To get more information about a control, hover over it with your mouse. With ArcGIS Explorer, you can access ready-to-use online base maps by using the Base Map tools located on the Home ribbon. Currently, the Bing World Imagery map is displayed, but let's change the map to Bing World Physical Map. This map displays physiographic features on the surface of the Earth, such as mountains, rivers, and lakes. Now, let's switch our base map to Bing World Streets. This map displays the transportation network, in this case of the United States. You have the ability to combine a variety of data to create mashups. A mashup is a collection of geographic data assembled for a particular purpose. In this case, we can view a bedrock geology shapefile from our local computer and an oil and gas wells SDE feature class from a network server. Later in the video, we will demonstrate how to load various data sets like these. Using the Add Content control, you can add imagery, GPS data, and other geographic information to your maps. You can use the Analysis control to perform a proximity search in the form of a buffering tool. In the future, additional analysis functions are anticipated from both ESRI and Center for Shared Solutions. Now let's discuss how you can move around in a map. We have switched back to Bing World Imagery in 3D. You can manipulate your view of the map in two ways. You can use the left mouse button to, in effect, grab the image and move it in any direction. And you can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Optionally, you can use the navigation controls, which are located in the lower left corner of the screen. The left column lets you tilt the image if it's in 3D. The Reset Tilt icon repositions the image back to its original orientation. The right column lets you zoom in and out. And you can use the compass rosette to move the image. A single click on one of the cardinal points moves it in a short distance. Holding it down continuously pans the image in that direction. You can rotate the image around a central point by clicking and moving in the bar between the cardinal points. The icon allows you to reset back to north. And finally, this icon zooms you out to the full extent of your map. The View control allows you to save or bookmark a particular area of interest. Let's now explore this function using some of the geography that comes packaged with ArcGIS Explorer. Let's start by zooming into the Great Lakes region and saving this location as a view. Click on the View control. Note that the new view reference appears in the table of contents. Name the view and hit Enter. Now, if you change the map, you can return to the saved view by double-clicking the view reference in the table of contents. A series of geographic base maps are included with ArcGIS Explorer. Click on the base map icon in the ribbon at the top of the screen, and let's change our base map to World Streets. Zoom to the city of Lansing and save this location as a view. As before, we click on the View control and type in a name for the view. Now let's change our base map to Bing Maps Road. And then zoom into downtown around the state capitol. Notice as we zoom in that more roads are added appropriate to the zoom scale. In addition to the base maps resident in ArcGIS Explorer, you can also access maps and datasets created by other users in the ArcGIS community. To access this resource, click on the World icon and choose ArcGIS Online. Select the map you need by clicking on either Add or Open. The Open option will not add data to your existing map, but will open a new map by streaming the data from the ArcGIS Online website, whereas the Add option adds the data into your active map. We'll select the USA Federal Lands. Zoom into Alaska. To display a legend for this dataset, right-click the name in the table of contents and select Show Legend. Datasets using the Add option are in fact downloaded to your local computer. Note, this data remains on your computer even if you remove it from the map. To determine where this data resides on your computer, right-click the name and select Properties. In the next window, click on Source Data. The stored location is identified in the Source reference under Layer Summary. This ends part 1 of the ArcGIS Explorer training video. To continue, run ArcGIS Explorer training video part 2.